Take out a UK subscription to Digital Camera Magazine this month and you'll receive this Westcott 5-in-1 reflector worth £40 as your welcome gift. A reflector is a great asset to your photo kit, and here I'm going to show you how you can use one to enhance your portraits. In situations such as this, where the light is a little flat, a reflector can really help to direct natural light that will enhance and lift your images. And once unzipped, quickly pops open. As you can see, it's a large circular reflector with a gold side on one side and white on the other. Around the edge is a zip, which once undone reveals a reversible cover with a further silver side and black surface. And in the centre is this large diffuser. I'm going to start by using the silver reflective surface to bounce the light around and light up our model. So turning here to Joe, you can see that the sun is coming in from the left hand side, and I just want to give a little bit of a lift to the lighting on her face. This will eliminate any ugly shadows. I'm just going to place the reflector on the opposite side to the light, and you can see how the shadows are quickly lightened. I can change the effect by changing the surface to white. This produces more neutral tones and softens the light if it's brighter. You can reverse the cover for different effects. So here's the gold surface, which is going to warm the tones. And as you see, as I move the reflector, the light bounces onto Joe's face, giving a much warmer glow. And on the other side, we have black, which surprisingly enough can be used to accentuate the jaw and cheekbones. The other great thing about this reflector is that I can use it to create an attractive catchlight effect in Joe's eyes, which will give any portrait an extra lift. The final part of this reflector kit is the diffuser, which helps to soften the light when shooting in bright outdoor conditions. So as you can see, this reflector is guaranteed to make a difference to your outdoor portraits, making a kit bag essential. You can get your hands on one for free by taking out a UK subscription to Digital Camera today.